How to change billing address on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can change billing address on Amazon. So make sure to watch the video till the end. The very first thing you have to understand is that this process is much more easier if you're using a laptop or on your browser, because the process to change our billing address cannot be done from using the Amazon app. We have to open our browser and go to amazon.com and log into your account. And keep in mind that billing address is different compared to shipping as well as delivery address. For that, if you're looking for those, then I've also already made a video, but this is only for billing address. So now let's get started. Go to amazon.com from your browser. I repeat, from your browser, and log into your account. Then after you do that, on a mobile phone, if you're using it, you can just tap on your name or the profile icon from the top right, and here if you look at the bottom, you can see your account. Under your account, just go to the see all tab over here. Now once we go to your account page, you will see by default this much only information. But now if you're using a desktop, you can skip this process, but if you're using a mobile browser, you have to enable the desktop version. And this can be done especially if you're using Chrome by tapping the three dots icon of your browser and requesting a desktop site for your browser. Depending upon the browser you're using, I want you to request a desktop site. Now once you request a desktop site, you will see the desktop like interface. Everything is pretty much small, so let me zoom in a little bit. You just have to look for the option called your payments, which is normally going to be at the right hand side over here. You can see your payments. So just go to the your payments page after requesting a desktop site, and after you have done that, you just have to select the card. So because billing address comes from your card, just tap the edit button next to the card that you have added, and after that you can change the billing address. Because in my case I don't have any sort of card, but if you have a card, tap the edit button next to that card, and right under the card name and details, you'll also be able to change your billing address. But make sure that you enable desktop site if you're using on a mobile browser. If you're using on desktop already, you don't have to do this process. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions as to how you can change it and any other suggestions, make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.